WEF 2016. Now we are about to start our session. Our topic is Are Similar Lifestyle Bringing the World Closer? And it will be presented by Neza Alawi. Well, she is not here right now. And we have another speaker, Sonal Kundalika Mandal. Kundalia, sorry. So I would like to invite first Sonal ma'am, please come here and give yourself.
Hi, good morning, everybody. There's hardly anyone here, but then most of the men and the lady speaker in the panel, and my beautiful audience. Now, I firstly would like to introduce myself as Sonal Mandal. I work on cause and leadership and entrepreneurship for the humanitarian. I run a fishery, and at the moment, I'm owning about 7 fisheries in Calcutta, and I'm into pisciculture. Sustainability is what I look for. So my target by 2030 should be giving lot of jobs to a lot of women and getting the sustainability project done by 2030 by UN Women. Now, our topic of the day is, does similar lifestyle get people closer all over the world? Um, so what we discuss is that how people come closer over the digitalization, about lifestyle, about everything that is happening all over the world. To begin with, I would like to show you a short 2-minute clipping, a short video, which will show you how in Bengal, I'm basically from Bengal, born and brought up there. I'm from a joint family, and we do not believe in nuclear family. That is the kind of lifestyle that we've been having in the Indian families mostly for past 22 to 3 decades. So, to begin with, I would say I'm from a family of Gujaratis. Uh, India is a country where we have different vast, it's a democratic country, and we have different culture, creed, colors, and it's fabulous. So many people with different languages, we speak different languages, we have, celebrations, festivities, culture from different parts of the country. So when you think about how to, match up the whole country, we talk about so many things, like firstly, I would like to show you a kind of a video which will make you understand the kind of upbringing we've had in the urban life and the rural life, the difference that we have in India and Bengal, the kind of life that we still have in Bengal. So then if I show you the lifestyle there and then connect you to the present lifestyle, I think you will be in a position to understand that how lifestyles matter, how in different countries, how would it be connecting, and how development has affected all of us. So can we start with the first? This is my fisheries. This is my fisheries that I have been, promoting. Not only promoting, we've been talking about the kind of land holding. It is having about 600 bighas of land, each one of them. And the fishery lands have about 200 people who are working with us, who are, growing life, like sustainability, meaning organic farming is a part of it, fish culture is a part of it. Um, there's so many people associated with it. So can we just have a look into the depth of life that we lead in there?
Thank you. So that was the part of rural Bengal, which is the base probably that how we started life, and we are still sustaining it at the moment. And all over the world, people are trying to keep the olden lifestyle that we used to have, and to keep it intact, and then move on to the development part of how we can
give more and more jobs to women. And not only women, we call upon gender equality and work on the basics of gender equality, of how sustainability, lifestyle, and development can work together. So now what we are talking about is different lifestyles. If we could talk about lifestyles, then the media and media services have helped us come to such a zone today where, the connecting any part of the world is much, much easier to reflect our stories from one country to the other is within a flick of a second. Anybody can know anything, like that has affected our lifestyles. Not only that, the brands have come to different parts of the world, which was probably at certain point of time based only in European countries or in American countries. Now, in different parts of the world, we are able to connect, and get anything possible. Online services are there, digitalization is there, where, we can order anything at any time, and any product is available with you within, say, a stipulated amount of time. And whether it is food, whether it is health, whether it is availability of any kind of lifestyle, product, we are getting the option to get it here, wherever in the world, in the country, within, say, a day, 24 hours. Say sometimes it is a few hours also. And that has, definitely got the world closer. Now, I would also like to talk about we are only talking about development, and if we are only talking about the positive side of it, we would also like to talk about the negativities that has, worsened the situations all over the world, where different children are affected, education is getting affected. People are always moving on with the mobiles and with the other communicating devices. And, at the prime time school level, if we can educate the kids how to handle, it's not that we would say that, get media out of your life. Media is so much important. I think the possibilities, say 20 or 2 or 3 decades back, was much difficult. We could not even connect to any newspaper guy